Alright, here's the page builder inside Fern CRM, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create sections that stay the same across multiple pages. We're just looking at a default shop template in our demo account, but as you can see here, the top menu bar is the same whether we're on the portfolio page, the events page, the shop page. The pages themselves aren't built out, but as you can see, the top menu bar stays the same no matter which page we're on. And the way that we do that is what we call these global templates, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So we're going to recreate this same section from scratch. So first we're going to go up here to add elements. We're going to add a section. Then we're going to add a row. All right, and then in here, let's make this full width, and let's add our navigation. Okay, so as you can see, looks really similar, right? So we would put our logo in here, business name here. You can change this to look like this. We're not going to spend a lot of time on the design details because all we really care about is how do we make this show up. So if I were to save this and then preview this page, it shows up here, as you can see. But if we go over to the shop page, it does not show up there. Right? So how do we make that show up across multiple things? And the way to do that is come over here to the little floppy disk. This is to save this section. And now we've got two choices. We can save it as a regular template. And what that means is every time we go over here, we can grab it from our section templates. So if we click on section templates, we would see the list of things we have saved previously. But instead we want to save it as what's called a global section. Back over to our floppy disk, save it, name it, and now we're going to save it to global sections. As soon as I click save, that green section turned this lavender purple color. So see how this one is lavender purple and this one is green? This one is now lavender purple and this one's green. So now if I save it and we preview it, it's still not going to show up on these other pages just yet, but if we go to those other pages and we add it from our global section, and then hit save, and then do the same thing on our home page, so now, if we go back to preview this, so here it is on this page, here it is on the events page, same thing, and on the portfolio page. And now at this point, you're probably wondering, why was it purple on only this page? And the reason is because the background of this is transparent, and the background of this page is lavender. I haven't even checked that, but I would be willing to bet. So yeah, so if we look at the background color, this was lavender. If we were to change that to transparent, no, that wants to be white. Okay, if we change that to white, then it would show up white across the pages. So that's something interesting to note. So that if you make the background of this transparent, you can change how it looks on different pages by changing the background color on other pages. If you didn't want that to happen, let's say for example, go back here to background, and let's put it back to that lavender color. Let's say you do want the background of this page to be lavender, but you don't want this to look different on this page, then you would just change the background color here. So now it's going to look the same on every page because we're overriding the background color. So that's why that happened. So now if we do it one more time, there it is on this page, there it is on this page, and they all look the same. Okay? That is how you make one thing, whatever section. You can do that with any section. As soon as you save it as global, now any page that has this on it, it will be consistent. And so the other thing that means is that if you make a change to this section on one of the pages, that change is going to carry over to all the pages. If you want to put ads on your site, you can have a section where you put that ad code in once and it shows up across all pages. That way, if you need to change the ad code, it could be like a promotion for something of your own, a promotion of one of your offers. You can change the offer that shows up by changing it on one page, and then it will make the changes across all pages. That's what global sections mean. They are the same on every page that they're used on. And if you don't want it to show up on a page, you simply just don't add that element to that page, and that way it won't be affected. All right, so I hope that helps, and use it in all kinds of creative ways. Thanks for watching.